Hey y'all, it's me, Vala, Prince. I'm back. So listen, y'all know I'm on all social media platforms from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and of course I seen the fried Cheeto pickle thingies. Yeah. Everybody know I eat like a pig. So I said because I just want to got me a new deep air fryer that I would try them out. This is ranch. This is those. Now these are double dipped, which means I dipped them twice. I dipped these twice. So if you know the recipe, it is of course hot Cheetos, crushed hot Cheetos, seasoned flour. You season your flour the way you want to. Eggs mixed with a little bit of milk. What I did was took the pickles out the jar, put them in the flour, my seasoned flour, turned around, dipped them in the egg butter, saucy, stuffy, the batter, and dipped them in the Cheetos. Then I double dip. What the double dip is when you take them and put them back in the batter sauce, the egg, milky stuff, whatever. And you re-dip it again in the Cheetos. So, I did that so it could be extra crispy. Mind you, this is my first time trying it. I think I watched the recipe for about a year and watched all the challenges and everybody do it. And today I was like, I'm bored, I don't have nothing to do. I kind of got the munchies. So I'm gonna make them. So let's see how these bad boys turned out. Now I just ordered my other ring light. Bear with me. I'm waiting for the microphone to come so y'all can hear me a little bit better. But between and in the meantime, this is what we're doing. Already. This is my first time trying this, so I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I can get into them. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But all right now, I wonder how many of these bad boys I could use. This is something else. Now this is definitely a snack. Good. Mm, mm. Now who fat funky ass set up and thought of some shit like that? This a fat bitch snack. hmm I like this, y'all. Mm, mm, mm. Damn. Was all right. Mm-hmm. Y'all gotta get on them. If you ain't tried that, baby, you gonna have to get on them. You gotta love pickles, though. Mm. Okay. If you don't, if you don't love hot Cheetos and pickles, don't even worry about it. And ranch, baby, it's another challenge like this I'm gonna have to try. A recipe like this I'm gonna have to try. Y'all gonna have to get into it with me. But for right now, this new fad. Hold on. Let me turn the dishwasher. This dishwasher, y'all can hear me. So y'all can hear this crispiness. Y'all gotta hear this crispiness. Hold on. Crispy baby Jesus. I should have been trying this. I'm dead, y'all. I'm dead, y'all. Who's not want to be here for this? Listen. Oh my goodness. This shit is beyond me. I mean, this is really beyond me. I had a... This one for the record. Come through, pickles. Come through. Y'all know what? This the one. This here. Not what need to be said at this point.